name is Arnest. Did you know that Arnest has a YouTube channel that talks about online jobs, that I get to sensitize you on the few opportunities that are there online for you to start working on them. Don't stay online just on WhatsApp and you don't have something to do on just on Facebook, but let me share with you these opportunities. You can try it out, okay? I thought about you, and that's why I decided to make a video on YouTube for these opportunities for you. I know you can write, you can do a lot of activities online like typing. This is a simple task that you can complete and get paid. I'll share a lot of links on my YouTube channel, and description box down here, it has every link to that some of the sites, and let's engage and see what other sites do you know that will pay you when you complete some of the tasks that you need to get something at the end of the day. Here are some of the things that I need you to have. One, you need to have a smartphone, which is an Android good one with a high speed of internet. You need, if you have a laptop or a computer, that's more important. And at the same time, you also need to have a Gmail account. And also, how will the clients pay you? You need a Skrill account or PayPal. I'll suggest Skrill and PayPal because I know their rates are very good. Okay, now let's jump into some of the sites and then see. Number one is Upwork.com. Number two is FREELANCER.com. Number three, you can look at Guru.com. Number four, you can research and then get some of them, okay? Remember, there are other companies online that will pay you after completing some simple tasks. Some of them, they are for research. Others, they just for a few insights about your stories. If you know how to write, you can write them. But let me mention a screenshot here about Upwork. Upwork is the most worldwide known site that will pay you after you finish. You share your skill, write your profile, and then finish up and then start bidding at the jobs that you need to complete. Okay, let me show you how Upwork works. Here it is. Upwork has something for everyone. Look at these opportunities. What you have to do: subscribe, log in, and start earning. And later on, before I complete this video, let me ask you a question, and please make sure you comment below on my YouTube channel the answers that you have. Like, what are some of the things that you can do, you yourself, you can complete, you can do online that you know? One, just mention one, and then I will share with you a lot when it comes to that. You can share with me on the comments below, and then I'll explain to you how that site works. I'll also list most of the things that you need to complete on my screen. As you can see, the tasks that you can do online for you to start on. I know you have the skill. What you don't know maybe is the place to share your skill. Don't forget to subscribe, okay? Subscribe, give a thumbs up, and comment and like, okay? And then share also on social media so that we can expand this video and share with your friends. Make sure you subscribe, and hit the bell. I love you.